Most people don't fail loudly. They fail quietly. They don't crash. They slowly fade. And the reason is not lack of talent, luck, or intelligence. It's comfort. Welcome to Mindset Rebuilt, a channel built to help you see the patterns that keep you stuck and rebuild the way you think so you can grow, move forward, and create a better life. Today, we're talking about something dangerous, not because it hurts, but because it feels safe. Your comfort zone. Why comfort feels so safe? Comfort doesn't feel like a problem. It feels familiar, predictable, easy. You wake up, follow the same routine, think the same thoughts, make the same excuses, and tell yourself, at least I'm not failing. But comfort doesn't challenge you. It doesn't push you, and it doesn't prepare you for a better future. Comfort gives you peace today, but it quietly steals your potential tomorrow. The silent damage of comfort. The most dangerous thing about comfort is that it doesn't warn you. There is no alarm, no pain, no urgency. You don't realize what's happening until years have passed. You look back and wonder, why am I still here? Not because you didn't work hard, but because you never demanded more from yourself. Comfort keeps you busy, but not growing. John C. Maxwell on growth. Change is inevitable. Growth is optional. Everyone experiences change, but only a few choose growth. Comfort is choosing not to grow, even when you have the opportunity. Why your mind resists growth. Your brain is not designed to make you successful. It is designed to keep you safe. That's why it avoids discomfort. That's why it fears uncertainty. That's why it prefers what is known. Growth requires discomfort. Learning requires effort. Progress requires risk. So your mind whispers lies like, you're fine where you are. You can start later. Don't risk what you already have. And slowly, comfort becomes a cage. Comfort versus potential. Think about this. If comfort was the path to success, everyone would be successful. But the people you admire, the ones who grew, evolved, and achieved, all have one thing in common. They chose discomfort when comfort was available. They chose growth over ease, progress over safety. Powerful quote, Roy T. Bennett on comfort zone. The comfort zone is the most dangerous area you can be in because it makes you think you're safe when you're not. Comfort makes you feel protected, but it leaves you unprepared. And life doesn't reward comfort. Life rewards courage. Why most people never leave it. Leaving your comfort zone feels like losing control. You might fail. You might look foolish. You might struggle. So people choose comfort instead. Not because they want small lives, but because fear feels stronger than ambition. But here's the truth. The pain of discipline and discomfort is temporary. The pain of regret lasts forever. How comfort kills dreams slowly. Comfort doesn't destroy dreams overnight. It destroys them quietly. One skipped opportunity, one avoided challenge, one excuse repeated daily, until one day your dreams feel unrealistic, and you convince yourself they were never meant for you. But they were. You just stopped walking toward them. Powerful quote, Neil Donald Walsh on fear and growth. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Everything you want exists on the other side of discomfort. Confidence, growth, strength, clarity, not inside comfort, but beyond it. How to break out of your comfort zone. You don't escape comfort by doing something extreme. You escape it by doing something uncomfortable every day. One honest conversation, one new habit, one bold decision, one action you usually avoid. Discomfort doesn't mean danger. It means growth. And the more often you choose growth, the quieter fear becomes. Identity shift. Stop asking, how do I stay comfortable? Start asking, what kind of person do I want to become? Your future doesn't change by accident. It changes when you decide comfort is no longer enough. Closing, strong ending. Comfort will keep you calm, but it will never make you great. Your future requires courage. It requires discomfort. It requires growth. And the moment you choose growth over comfort, your life starts to move again. This is Mindset Rebuilt. If this video challenged the way you think, subscribe not for motivation, but for clarity that leads to real change. Your comfort zone feels safe, but your future needs more.